Welcome to Tesla Super Destinations, where we review Tesla Supercharger and destination chargers for you. Our road trip will take us to the destination charger at Fremont Tesla Factory. Let's get charged up.
This is Blue Leader from Tesla Super Destinations, and there are a total of 107 destination chargers at the Tesla plant in Fremont, California.
1 full star for chargers. There are 107 destination chargers, 24/7 open lot parking, but this 1 full star is debatable because these destination chargers are intended for Tesla employees. 1/2 a star for bathrooms. It's about 457 feet away inside the waiting room lobby. Dedicated and clean, you'll need a passcode to get in. 1 full star for safety. Well-lit outdoor parking plus valet staff to drive your Tesla, park them, and destination charge them. No stars for food and beverage. There may be possible food trucks depending on the time of day, possible coffee in the showroom, and the nearby waiting room. You're better off bringing your own food and beverage. 1 full star for cool factor. Valet and charge perk for Tesla employees only. This destination charger gets a 3.5 TSD rating. It would be higher if you were a Tesla employee. Non-rated noteworthy mentions. This is where the best California American car is made. 0.7 miles from the 880 freeway, take the Fremont exit. This destination charger is probably not on your Tesla Supercharger map. There are 107 Tesla destination chargers. Will your Tesla be one of them? There's only one way to make that happen.
Your first name?
Darriyn.
Okay. What do you do here for these destination chargers?
For destination chargers, so we basically charge Tesla and EV cars, and when they're fully charged, we rotate them and park them in the valet spots.
Are these for employees only?
Yes, employees only.
What about guests of the Tesla factory?
Guests of the Tesla, it depends. Usually we make the guests go back here to forgot what it's called, visitors parking back here, and then they'll usually have a spot open. Usually we have we have a line over here in the front that's for like 30 minutes to an hour of parking, just so like if you need a badge or we're here for orientation or something. Yeah, that's about it.
Are there destination chargers for guests or visitors?
Guests or visitors? Not that I know of. I'm only told that we're supposed to charge employees.
Okay, so what's the best thing about these destination chargers at the Fremont plant?
At the Fremont plant? Well, for me, they're a lot close to the tent right here, and they're easy for us to like visualize and see who comes off and who's coming on to them. And that's about it.
Very cool. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thanks for letting us supercharge your Tesla destination.
Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until we meet again.